When Gandhiji came back to India, he had organized 3 satyagraha movements. Before becoming active in India's freedom struggle, he did 3 satyagraha movements. One in 1916, then in 1917, and then in 1918. This topic again is very important for 1 mark, and at the same time the places like Champaran, Kheda, Ahmedabad, they are very important from map point of view. They can be asked either to locate or to identify these places. So, look at the first Satyagraha Andolan organized in 1916. It was done in Champaran, which is in Bihar. Why? To support indigo planters. You studied earlier the problems of the indigo planters. Peasants, they were forced to grow indigo. They were not allowed to grow any other crop, and indigo was purchased at very low prices by the colonial state. And that is why it became difficult for the villagers to survive. So Gandhiji went there and he successfully organized Satyagraha movement. What was the next movement? It was in 1917 in Kheda district of Gujarat. There, peasants were unable to pay revenue. Why? Because crops failed. I taught you just now, due to severe famine, and an epidemic plague had spread over there. So what was the demand of the peasants? They wanted their revenue to be waived off. And Gandhiji was also successful in giving justice to the peasants of Kheda district. Then the next Satyagraha movement was organized in 1918 to support cotton mill workers at Ahmedabad. Why? Because the workers' demand was to increase in wages. Because during the period of World War I, prices of essential goods had increased and the wages of workers were very less. So Gandhiji, in order to give justice, he went on fast till death. And finally, British government increased their wages by 35%. So this way, 3 satyagrahas were organized by Gandhiji when he came back to India.